Hi guys, welcome to Joe Crowder channel. Today I would like to share to you how do I process the injection of Ozempic on myself. See, I was prescribed of Ozempic to prevent my pre-diabetes to progress into a full-blown diabetes or type 2 diabetes. Ozempic is also prescribed or used as a weight loss medicine. So I was prescribed Ozempic about 4 months ago, though I am not the very best example of taking Ozempic and then losing a lot of weight, because I only lost like 12 pounds for the 4 months that I've been taking this, but it has controlled my my cravings for sweet food, and then with exercise you will lose a lot of weight. My husband actually was the first one to take Ozempic, and for about 6 months of taking it, he lost about 50 to 60 pounds already. So when he got success on taking Ozempic, I asked the doctor if it's gonna work for me, since I have been diagnosed as pre-diabetic for almost 3 years already. So this is how the Ozempic looks. It is a semaglutide injection. You inject this on your tummy area or thigh or your arm once a week. When I started taking Ozempic, I took 0.25 milligram for 4 weeks, and then after that 0.5 milligram. So it comes with a box like this. So I take this every Sunday. It's once a week. So it comes with 1 pen and 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of this disposable needles. And by the way, I'm not a medical expert, so this is just showing you how as a patient I administer Ozempic on myself. Okay, so this is the pen, Ozempic pen. You open it on this top part, and then I would get 1 needle, open it, and then screw the pen into the head of the needle like that until it's tight, and then remove the big cap. So once I remove the bigger cap, somebody's calling me, I would adjust the milligram on this so it shows 0. You will hear that sound. Okay, so now it's 0.5. It's 0.5. Now I will remove the smaller cap, and you will see the tiny needle there. And then when I get ready to put, I use my tummy to inject it. Put your finger on this part, because you're gonna press it once you poke your tummy with the needle. Excuse my scar, it's a surgery scar. So I would grab a piece of my tummy like that, and then I would poke the needle like that, and then you will hear that sound once you press it. Hold it for like 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the bottom there, and then pull it out. And then to dispose of the needle, I would put the small cap again, and then the bigger cap, and then screw it to loosen it. And then I will dispose of this. And for the Ozempic pen, this is good for 4 use for me, because it has 2 milligram total, and then I'm gonna use it 4 times. I will put the lid and then tighten it, and then I just put it back in the box, and then put it back in the refrigerator, and it's done. That's as easy as that. At first you will feel like you can poke yourself because it's a normal reaction, but when you get used to it, it's just like tiny prick. So I hope you learned something, and if you have apprehensions of taking Ozempic because of the needle issue, you will overcome it once you've tried it. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you and have a good day.